What's up, guys? So today we got two packages here. I was just gonna open them inside, but then I thought, I was like, why don't I just vlog it? Because I needed more stuff to vlog. So this is a good little thing to vlog. One thing's for my car, one thing's not for my car. But I'm so hyped to open both of them. So first, I think we're gonna do the one that's not for my car. Because the car, I know you guys wanna see that one more. This one's more for like me, because I'm so hyped to open this. I've been waiting for this thing, baby, almost 4 months. So yeah, let's get started. I'm just gonna open these up. I need a knife, hold up. How do we open this up? I wanna make sure you guys see. Number one. Alright, so the first package we opened up. New lens for my camera. Shit sounds broken. After I got this lens, I promised that I would go ham on photography, shooting portraits, more cars, more portraits, more everything. So hit me up if you want to shoot, because I need to try out this lens at npvisuals_. Ooh, imagine I dropped it right now. I got this thing in the mail. It's for my car. I know you guys are gonna be hyped about this one. Ugh. Dude, I literally can't open it. Ugh. Ugh. Can't you open this? Alright, don't mess up this. Okay, wait, don't show it yet, don't show it yet. Okay guys, I'm super hyped about this. I've been wanting to get this for my car for the longest. So my interior is coming along. I already got the cage, and then now this is the next thing. Oh my god. That's actually really nice. Dude, I don't want to touch it. This is nice. Woo, I'm hyped. It is a race car, boy. I wanted a white to match the cage, so that's why I got white. This is so clean. Let me get some close-up detail shots of the white stripe. Full Alcantara, everything. It's gonna look so sick. And I got it from the homie. I know you guys probably seen his car before on Instagram. Go follow him. I'll put his Instagram right there. It's the same thing as this. But he hooked me up. He got me the white stripe. Everything I wanted. I wanted DCT. I wanted the white stripe. He got me everything. It's gonna look so sick. I can't wait to install it. That's a good idea. I'm gonna film the cinematic with the new lens I just got. Let's get some shots of this. As you can tell, I absolutely needed this. I would never post videos or photos of me driving or anything because it's just so ugly, you know? It's all peeling. Now I can show it because I got this bad boy, but it's getting old. The car's aging, so we got the white stripe right there. A nice white trim along the whole car. And we also, as you guys know, we have the sit cage in the back that's white. So all this white stuff's gonna look really sick once it's all in and put together. And I think seats and harnesses will be freaking sick in this car. And I think I'm done after that. This vlog, I am gonna install the steering wheel, just not today. So let's fast forward to when I actually install the steering wheel. I'm so hyped, I can't wait to see it. So yeah, let's go to that day when I install it.
Good morning, y'all.
What's up, guys? Okay, we're back. And today's the day that we install this stupid steering wheel. It's gonna be a pain in the butt, I already know it. Guys, I've never installed a steering wheel in my life. I don't know what I'm doing, but I was watching a lot of videos and it doesn't look too hard. But hopefully everything goes good. Help me?
I'm gonna help you.
Okay, so he's gonna help me. Make sure you go follow it. Hey!
Hey, level 12 or problem.
It's gonna be sick. I can't wait. Oh, no, it's back here.
The battery's back there?
Yeah!
The battery can't be back there.
I swear, BMWs are so weird. Yeah, the first things first, we have to unplug the battery because working with the airbag, you do not want that thing exploding in our faces. Like that. As long as I'm not touching the battery, it's unplugged. It's getting hot. We had to take out the airbag and you push these little two things in here. One. And then we got the airbag out. Now you want to unplug the airbag. We're literally watching videos while we do this. But we got the airbag out finally. Okay, the next step, we gotta remove this bolt right here. And I believe it's a 16mm. Already? Loose? Damn, alright. That was pretty easy. Alright, got the bolt out. I think it all comes out now. Whoa. That's weird. All right, we got it out. Now we have to transfer all these freaking wires to the new wheel. And I think I'm gonna do that inside.
Okay, two's better than one. One's better than nothing. Yes, love's a drug. We can't control the substance. It's funny, I'm off the air, but I grew up watching Air Bud. Now I'm balling with my dogs as we multiply these shared sums. Oh, sheep the lone wolf, caught you lying, no pulse. Thought you was king of jungles, now it's a desert almost. Only ocean separate us. Alone, I'm meditating, I'm grown and educated.
Okay, guys, I think we're done. It was very stressful. I think I'm just gonna put like a full time lapse because it took way too long. So if I did everything right, I should just plug this in right now, and I should be done. All right, I think we're in. Woo! Damn, that looks crazy. All right, now we just have to plug all these cords in for the airbag and stuff. And there's a line in here. I don't know if you guys can see, but maybe we can try to get it. There's a line like right here, and it tells you like where to line up your steering wheel so that it's straight again. Torque wrench, whatever, on everything. He was like, "Shut up, huh?" I just
Oh, you get a point.
Oh,
Sure.
it clicked.
Yeah.
Woo. All right, all right. Thank you, Dad. Okay, we torqued that down. Make sure you guys torque that to 45 foot-pounds of torque. I was reading on like a bunch of DIYs and stuff. All right, so there, those things are in. Those are in. Those are in. Everything else is in. I think we're ready. We finished! Damn, I'm pretty hyped about this. We plugged the battery back in. Everything's put together. I'm scared because what if the airbag pops out in my freaking face? Why are you backing up? Come over here. I think we're in business, bro. Yeah. All right, we're gonna go for a little drive. Hopefully, my steering wheel doesn't just pop out. Let's go. Now we have the flat bottom. Dude, this thing feels crazy. Oh my god. It's so sick. It's the best mod I ever did, I think. Cause like you actually feel it, you know? I'm in love with this steering wheel. I feel like I'm driving a brand new car, dude. It's very crazy. You guys gotta see Phoebe's face. Thank you, Phoebe, for filming, and he filmed the whole thing, honestly. So go follow him. I'll put his Instagram right here. But he helped me a lot. It came out really sick. Hopefully you guys like it. I'm in love with it. Honestly, the install wasn't that bad. I would say a 1 out of 10 out of like difficulty. I would say like a 5. What do you think? So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog right there. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Hopefully the vlog comes out cool. So yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And peace.
Can't find her someone to